likes cucumbers? I love cucumbers. Hi, I'm Karen from Veet's Vegan Cooking School, and I'm so excited today because there's only one more sleep until I launch my online cooking course, Cooking at Home with Veet. Anyway, I'm here with cucumbers today, and I'm going to show you a different way of using cucumbers in a salad. So I usually chop them up nice and small or make slices, but I love at the moment to grate the cucumber. Now this is a different type of cucumber. It's grown here locally by Wickerwood Farms, and this is a Lebanese cucumber. And one of my favourite cucumbers is the English cucumber with a thick skin, and I take some of the skin off and keep some of the skin. Cucumbers are a great source of carbohydrates, and we need carbohydrates in our body for many reasons, and one of them being for regularity, feeding the good bacteria in our body, and also for energy, and also to protect our muscles. So I'll just show you what I do, and I'll just talk a little bit about cucumbers. Very easy, just grate it up. And the reason why I do this is that the salad then has lots of juice in it. So I use them straight away like this, put them in the salad, and I don't need to use so much salad dressing, so that's less oil. Also, cucumbers are a great source of vitamin C, and they have, one standard cucumber has 62% of the vitamin K that you need a day. So they're great to add to your diet. They're hydrating. They're also good for lowering blood sugar levels. They're also good for keeping you regular because of the dietary fibre, and they're also good for another thing which I've forgotten, and it will come to me, but the best thing to do with them, and I used to love this when I saw it in movies, but wasn't allowed to do this when I was a child because it was a waste, is to put them on your eyes. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Oh, so refreshing. But better not eat those, but I'll pop them on again after this. Cucumbers, let me just check my list because there's one more important thing, and of course I've forgotten it. They can help with weight loss, so of course that's important. So if you don't have cucumbers in your diet, add them. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow with another daily tip. Bye everyone.